Oh, how we doing, everybody? Morning. Let's get this camera right there. There we go. So, yes, my name is Tony Smith, and as it is, this is my garden. So, a couple of little things in the post. Little box came in the post there, and I'll just pull this knife. Just make sure. Got my garlic scent. So this is my garlic. Now I got this from, I think it's the garlic farm, yes. I can't remember what I ordered, but I ordered it quite a while ago, to be honest. So a bill, and oh man, didn't know. I'm not going to tell you how much I paid. I didn't know I paid that for it. That's why I just get it from abroad. But this is the first time where, not the first time, but like normally, see, I get it on just like a street stall. So what have I got? I have got 4 packs of the extra early white seed bulbs, and I've got them things in it there as well. So I'll just show you. Extra early. There you go. The garlic farm. And you get 4 in here. So I think I've got like 4 packs. So we'll see how. And what I'm intending to do, I know I'm not going to do it today. I'm going to put these in here, or quite a bit of them. I'm going to grow them in the polytunnel. That's the idea. And I also got, my quest continues for the label, and I use now different things, but can you see this? The garden marker from Artline. Now this apparently doesn't wash off, doesn't rain off, so I'm going to try that today as well. See it? Garden marker. There we go, 3 of them. I'll lose them within bloody seconds, to be honest. So that's it. Right, I've got to show you something. Look at that, something's happened to me. Bloody lettuce. And I've put a bit of the old thing down, but up here, that one's getting hammered, and that one, Tatsuas, I think it's called, some sort of rocket. That's what they should be like. I'll have to find that bloody thing. If I could just find them, I might come up here at night time. Look at this one's getting stripped bloody bare as well. I mean, I've still got loads, but I don't even like at the moment, because these are for me winter. I don't want to like do any volunteer ones. And these are coming down today. There, I'm going to take, these are kind of almost where that one is, almost ready. So that clears a little bit of space out there as well. Get rid of that. Then I've only really got those and tomatoes, 3 over there, then that's it, really. Tell you what, man, I keep mentioning these, but look at this, man. Do you know what I mean? They just look so nice as well, don't they? You know what I mean? There's down there, there's some over there, big one over there. So, get rid of these. And like I say, these have been belting as well, to be honest. No qualms about growing this next year. A couple of split ones there. Take that off. They taste absolutely lovely, do you know what I mean? They don't taste like, say, as sweet as a sun gold, but they've got this kind of tang in it, which is lovely. I love it. Just pop them there for safety. There we go, taken care of. Losing one of them as well. Knee root. I lost another one there. Now that's all I've got is these ones. You don't get many Chinese salad there, cabbage in. You only get about 10 seeds. So get these out. Oh, come on. There you go, just tickled a little bit of compost on just to fill in them holes. I'll put something in there, I think. It's picking up these nails and screws. I found a big snail when I was doing this. I think I'm going to pop in some bok choy along there and some of this salad as well, because that salad needs to go in. I'm not sure what it is, to be honest. Into red. Needs to be planted out, sharpish. See if I can get 2 rows of this bok choy in. What's it called? Purple Lady. Let's see what this pen's like then. So, bok choy and into red. Let's see, it's got this winter. I put in some winter density. I like the fineness of it, to be honest, so we'll see. Put that down there for safekeeping. There we go. Let's give them a nice good tickle with water, to be honest. I want some sort of system here where I watched Steve's Green Side Up little promotion about a hose pipe, but it wouldn't actually work in here. I think it's different fitting, but I've been lying on the floor, I've been putting it up here. Give us some ideas what to do with this. There you go then, I've just had a little bit potter about, just tidying things up. I need to do a nice big sweep up. But there was such a mess after doing the potatoes, but I've put it all around. I've tidied it all up. But you know, your holes, your kind of nice tidy holes, sharp, just fill up, don't they? With just like, I need it all, but anyway. Listen, don't forget to subscribe to the show. Give the bell a little click and thumbs up, and I'll give you 10 years good gardening. Look after yourselves. Take good care. I'm not sure if this is on. You know, I've got this new little toy radar. Just get this. All make the YouTuber look good. Right, I don't know if that's working. I can see with my glasses.